Hello guys, it's Lexi right here, and now here's the vlog of California trip part 2. First, we quickly stopped by at the Sightglass Cafe to have coffee and a yummy croissant. It's a cranberry croissant that we tried. It has the sweet and crispy outer bread and a soft and fruity taste in the inside. This is actually my new favorite pastry here in that specific location. Next, we walk around at the shops at Harbor Village. It is an outdoor mall that has many shops and dining areas to check it out, such as Twice as Nice, Surf Factory, Mezza Luna Cafe, Spicoli Pizza, and many more.
Oh, can you feel it?
And finally, we are heading to Pigeon Point Lighthouse, the tallest lighthouse on the west coast of the US. The lighthouse is located at Pescadero, California 94060. Besides the lighthouse, you could check out the view of the ocean and how the sun's light is hitting that horizon line. Even though it is summer, when you arrive in this location, it's chilly. The wind is cold and you guys definitely need to bring a jacket to cover yourself.
I see oceans. I see oceans.
Ah, this is heavy. Selfie stick. Pauwi na yung iba dyan.
It's gonna get really cold at night.
Is it recording or what?
Plus, they have a small souvenir shop, information about their gray whale, and they can get lice too. I didn't know about that one. Or they call it California whale, and the structure of the main lighthouse.
So Jay, saan na tayo pupunta ngayon? Okay, I guess we're heading to Jollibee.
Overall, this is the place where there is always new places to discover every time I visit California. If you need more information, please check the description box below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye!
We're working on